this inner list or nested list. I just want to go for it. So take care of this. What is meant by inner list? Look at. So my requirement is something like this. My requirement is something like this. I want to store what I want to store here. Number of the student, next name of the student, comma, internal marks I want to store, internal marks I want to store. Internal marks are how many? Is a some set of numbers or not? And comma, which marks I want to store? External marks I want to store. And college name I want to store. College name I want to store. These many details I just want to store. I want to store number, name, next number, name, internal marks as well as what? External marks, like that college name I just want to store like this. Then how we go for it? So to store number, name, earlier college name, we went for what? A list. So what is the number I am taking? STNO is equal to 10. Name is equal to something like, I will take it as something like, name called a Rosam, I will take it. Next I am taking internal marks. I am taking some internal marks is equal to out of 20, got it, 13, and next is called a 19, and I will go for 15. These are the marks. Some 3 subjects marks I want to take it. Next, external marks is equal to out of 80, I will go for 76, I will go for 56, I will go for 78, I will go for something like a 67. This is my marks, I want to go for it. These are the marks what we have. Next, college name, C name is equal to, I want to take it as OUCET. This is the data I want to take it. Where should I take it? The single value. If it is up to here, if you take it, number, name and marks, I can happily go for what? List. Now here, what is extra we are having here? Some set of marks are also there. What is the best way of representing this? The best way of representing is like this. What is the best way of representing? Something like this. Information, STU information, student information is equal to, I just want to take something like this. Number called 10. Next is called RS. Next is called what next? This is called which mechanism? List. Right or not? I cannot write 13, 19, I say 15. And I cannot write 76. There is no meaning of writing like this. 56. And next is called what? 67. And next is what here? OUCET. If I write what people thinks about it, so there is no meaning of writing like this. And I'm just combined together, I'm writing all these things as something like this. So I want to write sleeping. Listening. Listen. So 13, 19, 15. Now I'm going to 76, 56, 67. I just want to go for something like this. I want to represent the data. If I represent the data, there is no much meaning in this. So I don't want to write this data like this. What I'm doing within the list, I want to take like this. 13. One more list I'm writing. This is called internal marks kind of list. Understanding? This is called another type of list I am writing. Another type of list. Inside the list, another list is available. This is called one list. This is called another list. This is called one list. This is called another list. What are these lists are called? Inner list we can call. Inside of one list, I am writing another list of elements. We call it as inner list. What is the meaning of inner list? Come on. The process of writing one list, inside of what? Another list is called what? Inner or what? Nested list. Inner or what? Nested list. The process of writing one list inside of another list is called inner list. Are you able to understand? So how do you write it? Just directly go for the syntax. I will go for the syntax. What is the syntax here? Come on here. List of obj is equal to I can write v1 comma v2 so on vn. This is called vn number of elements. Inside of it I can write what? You can write in the middle of it. See, I'm writing one more kind of thing. v11 v12 so on. What is this now? v1n. What this is called? Another list or not? Like that I can write another list also. Here I am writing v22 and v23 v21. I can say v22 so on. I can write v2n. This is called one more list. Like this also you can write it, followed by other kind of elements. So if you carefully follow here what I am saying, this are called what? Inner list. Are called here are called inner list we can call. Inner or what? Nested list we can call. Inner or nested list we can call. This list plus another list are called inner or nested lists we can call. Is it understandable? So how you can take care of this? It's important and very short description. It is my requirement. I want to store. You can understand in this description itself. Number and name and college name is very simple. Normal list only I can go for it. When internal marks are coming, some group of elements are there. When internal marks, external marks are coming, some group of elements are there. So such a group of elements I can represent it into another type of list. One more inner list I can write it. This is called inner list. Come on, take this one. Take this part. I will take. Go to the Python command prompt. Go to the Python command prompt. Python 3.10. Here I am writing. See that? I just wrote it like that. What is this now? Beginning list. This is called another one. And inside of it I am writing like this. Come on. Say print off. Say, come on, fast. stu. What is this? Info. stu info. Comma what? Type of what? stu info. So I'm printing something like this. This is a data what I am having. What is this type? Listed type. What is this now? Normal list values. And this is called inner list. How the diagrammatically, how it is available? Diagrammatically, I just want to take up. Diagrammatically, I just want to give you the clarity here. Let's go to the diagrammatic representation. I'm going to show you in inner list. Diagrammatic representation of what? Inner or what? Nested list. As we have taken it, this is a very important, and be careful about it. Understand it carefully. So in this diagrammatically, you try to watch it, guys. This is called inner list. Of course, you can understand. What is the value? First one, 10. Next is called what? Rosum. And what are the values again? I hope the values are 13, 19, 15. This is called one list. I will explain that. Let me write that values. Next is called what are the elements? 76. Next is what? 56. Yes. 67. Huh? Fine. I hope 67. So 67. These are the values what we have. So coming to this point back, here I am saying something like this. Of course, one more value is there, na? What is that value? OUCD, college name is also there. Let me cut this part and I will write college name also, I will enlarge it. So let me take up, fine. One more thing, I will take the college name. Okay, what is the college name? We have there OUCET. OUCET. This is the data what we have. Let us coming to the point back. Here I'm going to say, see the partitioning of the elements. Partitioning the elements. Right. Okay. This itself internally called as what, ma? This internally itself called as what? One list. This itself is called another list or not? Yes. Now you start with internally, these are also having partitions or not? Yes. These are also internally having partitions. Now these are having internally partitions. These are the positions of it. Now who is pointing here? Who is pointing here? STU info is pointing to this place. Okay. What are the positions here? 0 index, first index. What are the, this is called inner list or not? What are the index position here? 2. What are the position here? 3. What is the position here? 4. Okay. What is the position here? -1. Next one. Yes. -2. Next, please. -3. Next, please. -4. -4. Next, please. Yes. -5. This is called a -5. Are you following? -5. Okay. We are classifying that. Internally go to this one also. 13, 19, it is a, what is the position of it? 2. Internally inner list also will contain the positions or not? What is the position here? What is the next one? Next is called what? 2. That is called inner list positions. Inner list indexes. Come on here now. -1 inner list index. -2. Next is what? -3. Very good. Next here also. 0, 1, 2, 2. What is this, please? -3, -2, -1, -1. This is a complete picture is available. Can we get the data? Yes. Now I want to get the data back. How do you get it? Let's see some of the information. I'm saying that print of STU info of what? Of what? 0. What is an output, please? Quickly. 10. I am writing 1 output, please. Do sum. I am writing 2 output, please. 19, 13, 19, 15. Because the complete inner list will come. Next I am writing 3. What is an output? Right. You'll get it. I will write here -2. -2. What is an output, please? 76, 56, 67. Understand? Okay. Now I am writing here -1. OUCET. Very good. Now I am asking one question. I want to test you whether you will catch me or not. Yes. Careful. -3. -3. What is the value? 13, 19. Okay. Of 0. Very good. 13. Understand? I am writing here -1. Huh? Very good. -3. Yes. Understand? Yes. Now I am asking a question. Colon -1. Yes. 15, 19. Yes. This is called which concept? Slicing operation on inner list. Can I perform indexing and slicing on inner list? Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Already this diagram is there with you. Need to pick it up. Right or not? Yes. Pick it up. Right. Now I will take it. Okay. Photo shooting is going on. Okay, now everybody got it? Yeah, go to the example part. Already example is ready with you. See guys, all of you. Print off. See all of you. STU info. STU info of what? 0. What is the answer? 10. Quickly. Of 2. Come on. 13, 19. Beautiful. 13, 19, 15. Okay. Now I am writing 3. 76, 56, 67. Okay. Now 4. Okay. Minus 2. 76, 56, 67. Next I am writing minus 3. Okay. Now I am writing of 0. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next I will write here what? Minus 3. Beautiful. Next of what, you know? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. 3 of 3. Error, if you say you are error, first of all. I told already index error. If you say error in my class, you are error. You are error. 3 is there? This is called 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. In that 3, 0, 1, 2. But 3 is invalid index or not? I told already why you are saying wrong. Index error. If you listen my class, everything is so fruitful, results will come. If you did not remember, I cannot do anything else. Already explained, no? Explain. Then see, I will write colon I wrote. What is an output? Colon. 76, 56. Yes, beautiful. I will write minus 1. 67, 56, 76. Understand? So on the inner list, what we can perform? On the inner list, we can perform what? On the inner list, we can perform both indexing and slicing operations. Slicing, good. So let me speak to online students for 2 minutes. Students, did you understand this inner list concept up to so far? Did you understand quickly? Yes. So 260 students are in online. 260 students are in online. And 50 students are already absent. 100 students are here. So you are against to online, huh? Against to online? Okay, that's why you are coming to offline. Okay, right. Daily you want to see sir also, right or not? Very good. Good affection students. Okay. So coming to the point back, because the things are, I'm really fearing like anything, you know. Morning, one student sitting in the class, all of a sudden came here about that only. Sir, he said, that student said, sir, I have 1 or 2 fever. Can I go? Already sat in the middle of the students only. They can take rest, na? They can take rest. So unable to sit and then came, sir, I want to leave. I have this much. I said, better. And some of the people, office boys and all, roaming here and there with that symptoms only. How dangerous it is. So don't fear when you are careful. But even though you are careful, at least you need to, when they are sitting in front, middle of you, if all of a sudden taking back and going out, why they are going out, you will get a tension first of all. Why they are going in the middle of the class when Python is going on? I will get tension, you will get tension, right or not? So be careful. So like that, because these situations we did not see in our lifetime. But life is important. At the same time, Python is also more important. So first, when we are there, Python will be there. Right? That's why be secure by yourself. Wear mask. Don't wear the mask like up to the chin, like an ornament, like a chain. Wear completely. Okay. Anyhow, so let us move students. Right. Ranjan, you can ask a question, no problem. You are always welcome to ask a question. Ranjan, you can post your doubt. No issue at all. You can post. I will read out your doubt and I will answer it. Okay. Can I continue? Yeah. So, Ranjan, please post your doubt quickly. So, now I want to do what? Okay. Deep copy and swapping are same or different. Deep copy swapping, you are talking about in your C language point of view. You are talking about in your C language point of view. I will show you that swapping logic in our class. Okay, Ranjan? Right. Not a problem. His doubt is swapping, we are using what? T is equal to A is equal to B is equal to T, like that you are using. Golden days, 1947 story that is. Nobody will use it. That is only used in academics, in colleges and all. Right? So who is this? Sir, how can explain Python how can explain Python so easily? Means Rocky is asking a question. Sagar Kulkarni, you can sort complex numbers also. When we have complex numbers meaning, complex numbers also you can sort it out. No problem. If you have a knowledge on complex numbers, you can sort it out. Complex numbers also, no problem. No issues. Right. So, experience is a matter or subjective? Experience is not a matter. Subject, if you have Rocky, if you have more subject, experience will come automatically. So, MCA completed for one student, vacant for 15 years and started teaching Python. They will be like a kid. So, teaching more and having more subject knowledge, they can teach Python like anything. Am I correct? Yes. So, coming to the point of it, one example, a person is sleeping from morning to evening. Evening came on to teach the subject. One person is there teaching from morning to evening. And last evening, both of them are coming. Sleeping person and then morning to evening explanation person. Who will explain more perfectly? Morning to evening explanation person only. This gap person having 15 years gap of sleeping, they can't do anything else. Waste. Are you getting? Right. So, Darshana, yes, ma. Whenever our batch will start, we will intimate you. You will get that type of message. Right. Continue. Shall I continue? Right. Tell me now. We perform what? Indexing and slicing. Now see, I want to perform operations also. Can I perform operations? Yeah. Let us print students, understand student info. Once again, you print the data. Data is available. I want to insert one more subject internal marks. One more subject internal marks I want to append. Can I? Insert. What is an object? STU info data. Dot append of I will say 14. He got 14 marks, for example. 14. Where it is appended, ma? Where it is appended? It is appended after OUCET. But I don't want to append after OUCET. I want to append where? To this inner list or not? First locate what? Inner list. What is the position of that inner list? That you need to say, ma. Dot. Come on. Dot what? To whom you are appending? STU info 2. Dot what? Append. Of which one? 14. Understanding, guys? See that? Print STU info. What is that? 14 is appended or not? Now, I want to insert 68. I want to insert 68 at 56 place. Insert. Can I insert? Tell me. Insert. STU info of 3. Dot. insert of 1 comma 68. What is 1? This is 0 position. This is called what? In the first position, what I am inserting? Other elements will be moving outside or not? Yes. Can I write like this? Okay, 3. Okay, done. Can I write -2? -2 also pointing to the same or not? See the diagram. See the diagram. -2 is also what? Last inner list. Understanding, students? You see. Now you see added. Print stu info. See that is it added or not? You tell me now. I can perform operations also with predefined functions. Am I correct? Can you sort this inner list data? Can you sort this inner list data? Yes, please sort it ascending order. I forget. STU info of -1, -2, -3. -3 dot sort reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Means what? Descending. Ascending means you write false. False means you need not write also. Understand? You want ascending or descending? Ascending, if you want, you can go for just like this. Reverse is equal to false also, I can write it. Yesterday I shown you, na? Yes, go. Print again, print again. See that 13, 14, 15, 19. Okay, students. Print this data in which order? Descending order. Okay. Come on. STU info of what? 3. Dot. Come on. Sort of. Reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Print STU info. Getting the data in which order? Descending order. Easy or difficult? Easy. Easy. Yes. Can I remove this? Remove. Remove means SR. Remove. STU info dot 2 dot I am saying remove inner list. I am saying remove inner list. I am saying remove this inner list. I am saying, my dear students, STU info dot remove of, my dear students, you did not read the notes. Pop of what? 2. You did not read the notes. I understand. You are out of order. Right? Pop is doing what? Remove is doing what? Element removing. Pop of index. Yesterday you only said na so many functions. Pop of index. So pop without index. Remove of element. Remove papa. Say, see what is happening. Is it removing the complete or not? Removed or not? Yes, print. Again print STU info. What was not there? This was not there. Yes or no? Yes. Can I remove this by using? Say. Come on, how do you remove? Say pop of what? So -1 and then what? -2. Can I say -2 here? Say that is removed. Say STU info. Done or not? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. Okay, students? Yes. Now I am going to say student info dot insert of 1 comma 12 comma something like 19 comma something like 14 comma something like 11. What I am inserting? One position. What is this, please? List of elements. Inner list. Understand? See. Print what? Say student info. Again I am getting inner list or not? Yes. At which position I am inserting? Yes. First position. First position. Understand? Yes. Next. Amma? Yeah, why not? I will pop out what element? 14. Say, start. What is this position? 1. Say, STU info of what? Huh? Okay. Dot. Pop of what you want to pop out? Dear students, you are not reading first of all. 50, no, 60, no, something we will write. Huh? Students in online, 15 is correct or wrong? So, no, they are saying wrong. So, you are not reading, but daily coming offline. So, pop will take what? Index. What is the index? I want to remove 19. I want to remove 12. I want to remove 11. Anything. You say, what do you want to remove? You tell me. 14 you want to remove? 0, 1, 2. 2 you say. 2 you say. Okay. Print. Subject is super, but you are not reading. I understand because of your answers now. So see this. Done. Understand? Come on. I want to take one more inner list here. I want to take one more inner list here. Can I insert? Yes. Come on. STU info. STU info of dot insert of 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 comma 3 comma I'll say some 56 comma 78 comma 66 comma 71. 71. Okay. Beautiful. Print. I got it. Got it or not? Yes. Can I create can I insert inner list? Yes. Best examples. Wherever you go, remember my notes. You will do wonders. This is list in a list. I want to mention this example here. What I want to mention here? On the object of, tell me, on the object of, or on the inner list, come on ma, we can perform various operations by using predefined functions of what? List. How many predefined functions we have? So many, na? So those predefined functions I can apply on inner list or not? We can apply. These many number of examples we have. From the beginning, I will take it. From this place, I will take it up to this last. So I'm taking. Go to this place. Now I'm writing something like this. Examples I am saying. So here I'm taking examples. See students, I just pasted it. All these examples are available with you. You go after going to home, try to practice very well. This is an examples what I pasted. So take care of this entire thing, inner list, and I applied indexing and slicing on it. And we performed various operations on this area. So done. This values has done. And next is having something like this and like this. So coming to this area, of course, index error. You already know that index error. Next, this is a value. So value, I got it. So here I'm saying values are getting here. Appending the values, getting the information, student.sort, getting this. So here I'm getting popping of the values, everything I'm showing here. Result, again popping that elements, remaining elements. The most important thing is with insert, not only inserting one element, I can insert a total list also. Am I clear? Yes, you can insert total list also. Inner list, again popping of that value and the student info. And next is called what? Like this. I will take these elements. Last and final, I will experiment on something. Print this info. Now I am saying, see, I set info. I am writing here append. I am saying append of this values I am removing. Append of. What I am doing? List again. I am writing here. Apple. I am saying here something like a kiwi. I am writing something like a kiwi. Next I am writing something like, so I'm writing like this. I'm just writing like this. Something like this I wrote it. What is this? Append. Inner list or not? Can I append one list to the another list or not? With append we added one value, but today we added what? Many values at a time. Can I add many values at a time or not? Yes. But don't try to add like this, ma. Okay, print first. Now you got. See, after OUCET, one more list is maintaining end of the list. Understand, students? Right. Don't try to do like this, ma. Don't try to write like this. Append of. Like this, you don't write it. It is not possible. See that? Append takes how many? But you are given how many? Separately you have given. But here how many I gave? One only. In list format I gave. Understand? So those who got the doubt, sir, can I add more number of elements to the list? Your answer is yes or no? No. Yes, but in the form of list. Okay, students? Understand? Huh? Right. I will take it. This example I will take it, ma. I say this also I will give you, including this error also I will post it here because you need to experiment on this area. Okay, I appended. You print this information. This is a big list is maintaining. Inner list concept is available. See that. So complete. Okay, of course, it is going to give you error. This is called an error. We got it. This is an information about what? Inner list. Is it clear, students? Yes. Now, inner or what? Nested list. Like that. Further also, I am using this inner list for much of the interesting part will come. Very much important things will come on this. So I hope in list you are perfect. Right? Let me speak to online students. Are you perfect, students? Yes, ma. I included Renuka. I included the error also. Seema, I included the error. Yes. Students, are you perfect in this in list concept? List, operations on list, functions in list, right? Like that, we are going to say inner list, all those things we have done it. Sandhya, Seema, for learning DevOps, no programming knowledge is required. I'm telling to you, no programming knowledge is required. For learning data science, programming is required. If you know programming, if you get a job, you will reach to lakhs of rupees, salary will come. If you are there in DevOps, even if you get 10 years of experience, you are in thousands of salaries only. If you know coding well, within 4 to 5 years, you will enter into 1 lakh salary. If you know without coding jobs, if you do, even 10 years, you cannot reach to 1 lakh. Coding is so powerful. It is a dominated job actually. Developer means it's a dominated job. So I'm not saying that DevOps is best, not best or something. My field of area, I'm telling to you. Coding, nobody will come and touch you. If anybody touch you in the coding programmer, their fingers will cut 100%. Coding will have that much. This is like equal to the doctor, more than doctor. Nowadays, doctors are so dangerous. Commercial. But Python programmers are not commercial. Commercial in the sense, when two companies are there, if TCS and HCL is there, one of our student, HCL offers 6 lakhs, TCS offers 7.5. He told to HCL, I'm not joining in your company, I'm joining in TCS. They asked the reason. They are paying me 6.5, you are giving 6 lakhs. They said, we also give 7.5. They said this reason to TCS people. HCL people are offering 7.8 and you are giving 7.5. They said, we also will give. And finally, one more stone thrown on HCL. So I said, but TCS people are not leaving HCL people because they offer directly 10 lakhs. And they say, HCL person, we will give 12 lakhs for you. Come and join. He joined. Within 2 months, again he got an offer letter from TCS with 14 lakhs. I will call that guy one day. He will tell this conversation. I said, you please preserve that mails with you. Show to my students. I said, sure, sir. Definitely, I will come on. But our students may think that he is playing game with both the companies. Yes, definitely. You are a good in programming. He qualified 3 rounds of programming round. Here, 3 programming rounds. He's saying, sir, I did coding like anything, sir. All the coding 45 minutes they gave, sir. I solved in 20 minutes, sir. One of the example, alphabetical order sorting. Alphabetical order sorting. List of samples are there. I want to sort it out the data. What function? Sort function. Technical rounds also. So who don't leave? Who will leave that coding people? And he said, sir, 14 lakhs not sufficient, sir. I'm looking for PayPal. His dream is to work in PayPal. Have you heard about it? Product-based company it is. So you want to go there. There, 8 rounds will be there. 8 rounds. One of my student is working, Shravan Kumar. He is working there. He was my Java student actually. Few years, 4 to 5 years back. So like that, coding will change the life of the people. It's my field. In 25 years, I'm concentrating on coding. Nobody will come and touch also. They'll always give more preference will be given for coding people always. And other subjects, I don't want to talk about it. Because if I talk, people will feel, if you like that, if I talk something less than that, you will feel that SAR is not giving much concept on it. Right? Fine. Are you able to follow me? Right, ma'am. Right. So next I'm going for Django also we will plan, Mahendra Babu. We will plan for Django also. Don't worry about it. So let us move to the further. Shall I? Right. Now I am going to introduce tuple. I am going to introduce. Which one I am going to introduce? Tuple. Okay, na? Yeah. Let us go to the, actually, all these things I need not to talk about it. Directly I can go for a list. First one day I explained about the list. That day list properties I will say, list is over I can say. But when you go to any of the bigger companies, they will ask these many questions. Why not? You only take it. You ask other batch people are there, Python batch people are there. Na? You ask these questions. They will run away from you. And whenever they see you in Ameripet, they will not come opposite to you also. Because you will ask questions. Or you just stand somewhere else in the center. People are going front and back. Nowadays, nobody is going on the road. After this situation is gone, you stand somewhere and who are all coming, ask, what are you doing in Ameripet? Python. You say, come aside and you ask some questions. How many data types are there in Python? You ask that question, enough. They will say 4 only. 3 only some people will say. 60 to 70% people will say 3 only. If anybody says 14, you ask immediately which batch you are. Who is your teacher? They are our student. And when I am saying this survey means you have to ask compulsory. Okay now? When you will ask? And this time if you want, you can stand there, but situation is not good now. When still your batch is going to continue now. So things will be set right in 1 month. So this 1 month you must be careful enough. Okay now? Right. So shall I move forward? Look at. Now I am going to introduce what? List. List category already completed what ma? List. What we learned in that? Purpose of list, organization of list, indexing and slicing, predefined functions in list. Have you done all these things? This will not be there. Next, what we discussed? And next, what operations you can do on inner list, indexing and what type of predefined function? All the predefined functions you can apply or not? How many types of copy mechanisms you have? How many types of copy mechanisms you have? Two. One is shallow copy, deep copy. Anything else? One more. One more also is said. Slice based copy. Slice based copy is also one type of shallow based copy. Did I said or not? Yes. Slice based copy is also one kind of shallow copy. Shallow copy, deep copy, okay. Slice based copy is also there. That is also comes under. Keep in mind that. Okay, ma? Shall I move forward? Yes. Now I'm going to introduce. Coming to the next is called what? Tuple. I'm going to explain the tuple. Tuple I'm going to explain. Okay. Tuple I'm going to explain. So let us go to the after the tuple I'm going to. It is how easy it is. I can't imagine it. It is so easy, students. It is so simple. You can understand me very well. Yes. Okay. Rocky, after getting job, can I do survey? Why not? After getting the job, where is the time for you to do survey, Rocky? So you will be always busy in doing. Right. Explain remove function on inner list. Inner list, remove function. Remove function can take how many values at a time? I already told you. One value only it can take. One value only it can take. It won't take multiple values like list of values and all those things. Right? So what is the possibility? We can take that only. Right or not? Fine. Shall we move forward? Yes. Yes, ma'am. I'm not hearing you. If you come here, I will move forward. Yes, Hari. Really, you said correct, sir. One of my friend, there only was. Say. How to? Subset operation. Subset operations is asking. Subset operations is asking. What is a subset? He is asking subset. It's really, yes, subset operation is asking. You see, ma? L1 is equal to, actually you write imposition, okay? Write imposition tomorrow, you write imposition. L1 is equal to, sorry, imposition means don't fear, ma. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Subset means what? Part of it, na? Part of it. Can I get part of it? How? L2 is equal to L1 of L1, capital L1. L1 of, because I mentioned capital L1. L1 of, I do what? Colon 2. I say colon 2. Print of what? L2. Is it not called one subset? Did I explain? No, 1 minute. Did I explain or not? Explain or not explain now? Explain now? Not that. What you are expecting? Want to be? Print all? No, you can do it. You can do it. You have to write a code for it. First, how means I have to enter into the coding? I'm explaining what? Data types. We need to go for what? Batch mode programming is there. You want to see where you are going to get that? You see my existing batches, 7 a.m. See that batch mode programming. Batch mode programming. Here you see number of approaches to do the programming. One is what? Interactive mode. What are we doing? Interactive. What we are doing next? Batch mode. Batch mode is nothing but next we are going. In this mode, what are we doing? We are developing only one statement at a time. In this mode, programmer can issue how many statements at a time? One statement at a time and got its result immediately. Such a type of statements cannot be saved. That's why we will go for which programming? Batch mode. So you asked about subset, we got the subset. You asked about subset only. You got subset or not? Amma? All subsets also I will give you. L1 is equal to L1 of 0. L2 is equal to L1 of, actually intelligence is required. That's why you write imposition tomorrow. Colon what? 2, you give it. L2. L3 is equal to intelligence is required. Okay, 0 colon what 3. Since you asked me, that's why I'm showing you all these things. L1, what is this? Okay, say single equal to. Next, L4 is equal to say what? 4. L5 is equal to 5. L6 is equal to what is this? 6. Print L1, print L2, print L2, print L3, print L4, print L5. Is it not called all subsets? See, boss, you asked about all subsets. I'm showing. I want to print all at once means I have to write a program. Subsequence. Subsequence. Subsequence means what is subset first of all? Everything will come. Right imposition. That is only you are committing mistake. Everything will come means what? Listen. You don't have fundamental of subset. Subset means what? What is subset? Part of it. Is L1 is a part of it or not? Is L2 is a part of it? These are called what? This L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6 are called what? Subsets. You are thinking everything will come. You want everything. You see, L10 is equal to what? L1. You print whatever you want, I will print it. But you need to read. What do you want? 10? You can get it. 10, 30, what I want? 40. You take it. See what I will do. L8 is equal to, tell me, L1 of, tell me, what do you want? 10, 20, 10, 30 you want. Right or not? 1 minute. 0 colon 4 colon 2. Okay. Plus, what I want? 1 minute. This is called L1. Actually, you are asking the things which you are not saying things properly, right? Plus, what is this? L1 of, what is that? You want what? 40 you said. That is called what? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Print, right? Print. This one, you take it. You put it into this place. L1 of, right? Now L8 is equal to L9 is equal to L8 plus what you will take? L1 of what is the value? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. You take it. Okay. Concatenating is this one. You take it. L9 you take it. Done. L10 is equal to L9 is equal L9 dot extend of what? L8 dot extend of what? L9 extends 1 minute. Print of L8. Next is what? L9. 40. Okay. Now you see, say this part you take it like this. Getting print what? L8. Print of L8. Got it or not? You bring whatever you want, I will show the result. You read the notes first. See, Ma, first of all, you did not concentrate on the subject. Your doubts is very simple. I did or not, whatever you are expecting, like that you write in the paper, whatever you want, I will show you the result. Right? 100 elements, 2 lakhs elements you take it, you will get the result. There is no doubt in that. Okay, now? So read well, concentrate well, you will get it. So am I using any new fundamental? I am using slicing only. Indexing only. Why I got this much emotion is because you are asking subset. Subset is nothing but what? Slicing operation only. Right or not? So simple it is. Okay, concentrate. Okay, go. Oh, you want 1,000 elements? Write in a paper and come. I will show you whatever you want. Okay, now? So next, coming back to the further discussion. Understand? Right. Go to the further sets operations. What is expecting from here? How to get these subsets? It's so simple. With what operations you are getting? Slicing you are getting. With the slicing, I got the subsets or not? Yes. So whatever you have the requirement, you can do with the data types itself. Right? Fine. With the set, I will tell you some more extra operations. That is different. Need not to go to that place. Here only I can solve every requirement of it. Nothing to worry about it. It is simple and easy. Once you read my notes, whatever the doubts are coming, that is easily solvable. If we don't read the notes now, that's why you will get these tensions. Without reading, we cannot get anything. Why I upset is because without reading, you want a subset. How to get subset? Slicing, na? Slicing will get a range of values or not? So the moment when I'm showing, he is saying that I want this, I want. That is what is called no clarity on his doubt at all. What do you want? Write in a piece of paper. Come to me. 100. He is taking 100 elements. 100, no. 1,000 elements you take it. What do you want? Show me. I'll show the result. Right up? Fine. So let us move to the further discussion. Shall we move? Yes. Where we are going now? Tuple. This you try to close this part. This is not necessary. I am very shortly we are entering into that area. Now I am going for what? Tuple part I am going to enter. Tell me what is the tuple? What is the tuple? Tuple and list both of them are same. Tuple and list both of them are same. What is the difference? This is called what? Mutable, and this is called what? Immutable. Immutable this is called. Everything is same. But the only thing is this is enclosed within what braces? Braces that is called. What about this is called? Square brackets. Everything is same. Empty list, non-empty list, empty tuple, non-empty tuple, everything is same. Shall I go to that? Yes. Let us go to the important thing called tuple. Let's start with the tuple here. Yes. So before going to this tuple, as usual, I will write a simple logic. So tell me, first statement always, it will take very less time for me because already list is discussed now. Start. Tuple is one of the predefined class. Predefined class name. And treated as what? Which data type? List data type. List data type. List data type. Tuple is one of the predefined data type. Predefined class is one of the predefined class. Treated as which data type? Right. I told already one note I will give you. What is the note, ma? What is the note? The functionality of what? Of which one? Tuple. The functionality of what? Tuple is exactly similar to what? Functionality of list. The functionality of tuple is exactly similar to functionality of what? List. But an object of list belongs to what? Mutable. Already explained. Mutable. At the same address, modifications can be done. Mutable. Whereas an object of what? Tuple is what? Immutable. Is immutable. So here I am saying the functionality of tuple is exactly similar to functionality of list. But an object of what? List belongs to what? Mutable. Whereas an object of what? Tuple belongs to immutable. Are you able to get my points? And exactly similar I said, because these points I need not write once again. I will bring the same points. So let us go to the list place. Let us take list place once. I will bring those things. So here I take it. This place go to the data types. Under that list category, under that list I will open whose properties I will bring as it is. I'll bring those properties as it is, so that you'll be getting. So here I am saying empty list, non-empty list. I will bring up to here same. I will change. I'll just go for some modifications. I will do it. Now I will paste it. Let's watch it now. I'll just go on doing the changes. The purpose of which one? Tuple data type. Tuple data type is that to store multiple values, either of which type? Same type or different type or both the types with what values? Unique values. Let's go next point. The elements of which one? Tuple must be written within braces. What is that? Braces. It's also called as parenthesis. Parenthesis, braces. Right, done. And the elements of a tuple separated by what? Comma. Separated by what? Comma. Let us see. Up to here I want to show you. Let us go to the Python command prompt environment. Let's go to the Python command prompt environment. Let's watch. T1 is equal to T1 is equal to, say, within that 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. What type of elements? Homogeneous elements. Similar type of elements, because I said you now. List date purpose of tuple is that to store multiple values, either of which type? Same type. I took it as same type here. Print. Print, what is this? T1 and a type of what? T1. T1. T1 you say. What is an output? You see. Same order they are coming. Plus what? Tuple. Tuple. See that tuple. What is that? Tuple is called class. What is T1? Object. Of which one? Tuple. Yes. Next, go for one more thing. T2 is equal to, one more object you could take. T2 is equal to, I will take it as a 10, something like ROM, and I say 34.56. Next is called a true. Next is called a Python. Like this, I am just taking. Within what? Braces. Yes. Print what? T2. T2 of this one. T2. I got the same order. Of what type? Same type, different type, all the types. Which type? Tuple type. See, len of T1. Len of T1 printed how many? 6. T2 printed how many? 5. Empty or non-empty? Non-empty. Non-empty. Now see, T3 is equal to, like this I am writing. Previously I was written like this or not? What it was? Empty list. Now it is called empty tuple. Empty? Yes. Print what? T3. What is this? Yes, I want to print like this. Type of what? T3. T3. I got it. This one. And I got it this type of values or not? Yes. So this we got like this. This is the element we got tuple like this. Next I can create not only this braces. T4 is equal to, earlier I was created like this for list. Na? I can create it as what for tuple also. Tuple of. Now print T4 of type of T4. T4 comma type of T4. See that it is called also what type? Yes, come on. Len of what? T3. Len of what next? T4. T4. 0, 0. Are you getting my points? Yes. So coming to this T4, 0, 0 is coming in this place. Come on, continue. Once again, the purpose of tuple data type is that to store multiple values, either of which type? Same type. Different type. Both the types with what values? Unique and duplicate. You want to see duplicate? T5 is equal to 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20. Like this you say. T5 you print it. T5 you print it. T5 duplicates are also permitted, maintains insertion order, everything is done. Go there. See, elements of tuple must be written in these braces. Elements of tuple separated by what? Comma. And the most interesting fact is, see guys, T6 is equal to, see, I am writing 10 comma, I will write my name, caviar, and I will write here Python. I am writing Python. Now I am writing some 34.56. I did not write any braces also. It's an important. I did not write any brace also. If I did not write any brace, it is by default treated as what? Tuple only. Because it's an interview based question. If I write like that, it is called what? Come on quickly. Right. If I write like this, it is called what? Tuple. But today I did not write any braces. I did not write any braces. I am writing comma, comma, comma. By default tuple. Press 6. T6 you write it. T6 comma type of T6. You see the output. What is the tuple? Class tuple. Is this elements are by default kept into this place or not? Yes. Understand? Right. Go back to the point. Now you have a doubt. A is equal to 10. What is the type? Into 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 tuple. Understand? Yes, good. Now I am writing A is equal to Java within the double quotes. str string or the str, and now I am writing comma Python tuple now. Understand? Yes, you take care of that. You take care of that. Now come to the next point. An object of tuple, come on, tuple maintains which order? Insertion order. What do you mean by insertion order? In whichever order we insert the same whichever order we insert the data, in the same order elements will be displayed. Elements will be displayed. Next, same order only, na? Whatever order is there, same order. Next is what? An object of list is mutable earlier. Now it is tuple belongs to what? Immutable. Sir, show me immutable ones. Go this one only, you take it. Whichever one you want to take, you take it. So take it as some elements. Okay, take this one. T2 you take it. Print of what? Come on. T2 comma ID of what? T2. Say done. Done. Come on. What is the index of 10? 0. ROM 1. 34.56. Now I want to change. First to see. First to try to retrieve T2 of 0. T2 of 0. What is the value? 10. Next T2 colon what? 5. What is the answer? I am getting a part of it up to here or not? Yes. Up to here I will write it something 3. I will write it like this. Understand? Yes. Next I am going to say like this. What I am going to say here is slicing I can do it, indexing I can do it, everything I can do it. Now you see T2 of 0 is equal to 100. What is my 0 position value? 10, which I would like to modify with what? 100. Is it possible or not possible? Not possible. Immutable I told you, na? Immutable means never allows item assignment. Never allows us to change the modifications. You will get error. See that? Come on, read out. Type error. Tuple object does not support. Wrong operations if you do, you will get what? Type error. At this address, nobody is updating that. If you want the list of values which you don't want to modify, go for what? Tuple. If you want to modify the list of values, go for what data type? List data type. Understanding this? Right. Come to the point back. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Right. Type error. So next go to continuation part of it. Right. Done. And an object of tuple belongs to immutable. Okay. On the object of what? Tuple, we can perform indexing and can I perform? Yes, we have seen. Next, we can convert other type of value into which type? Other type of value into which type? Tuple type by using which function? Tuple of. I want to convert list values into tuple. List values into go. I have L1 is equal to 10 comma rom comma like this I am taking. Like this I am taking. Print of what? L1 comma type of what? L1. I got it. I got it. 10 rom this one. What is the okay ma? Not that I want to take it as list. I will take it. List bracket I need to use. List bracket. Print L1. What is the type? List. Now I will convert into tuple type. Convert please. T11 is equal to tuple of L1. L1. Print what? T11. T11 is 11 comma type of what? T11. So I got the which type? Tuple type. So tuple to list I can do, list to tuple I can do. Any one after the type can be converted to another type. These conversion functions are very, very important. See, tuple of. We can create two types of, come on, tuple objects. Two types of tuple objects. One is what? Empty tuple. Do you know how to create empty tuple? By using two ways. Tuple of and one more is braces. One more is non-empty tuple. Non-empty tuple. Come on now, what is this? Empty tuple. Yes, an empty tuple is one. Already you have seen it or not? Which does not contain any and whose length is. What is that syntax please? Of. Like this, huh? Yes, one more. Tuple of. Tuple of. Which type of syntax it is? Empty tuple. Empty tuple. Next is called what? Non-empty. Non-empty. Non-empty tuple. Non-empty tuple, I will take it. Non-empty tuple. A non-empty tuple is one. A non-empty tuple is one which contains elements and whose length greater than 0. Whose length greater than 0. Syntax is what? Variable name is equal to, tell me, I will write this brace and I will write this brace. V1, V2, VL, etc. within these braces. Are you able to understand? Right. Coming to this point, finally I am going to say functionality here. The functionality of tuple is exactly similar to the functionality of, but an object of list belongs to mutable, whereas an object of tuple is what? Immutable. Immutable. So ample of examples are here. Ample of examples are here. I will just try to give you this clarity. So up to where tuple onwards, I will take it. From here onwards, I will give you this. So try to practice all these things. Once you start practicing correctly, you will not get a single doubt also. Once you did not touch the book, you will get hundreds of doubts. And finally, you will get confused without practicing. You have to practice it. Right? Without practicing, if you try to do it, nothing will come out of that. Okay? So you have to practice it first. Then any doubts you have, you can ask. But without practicing, without reading, if you get it, I will show the outputs. But if you don't understand, it's waste of efforts. Right. So idea of this. Done. Indexing is done. Slicing is done. 0 to 3. Modifying. You are trying to modify. You will get error, right or not? Why it is error? Why it is error? Why it is error? Where are you, boss? Because I told already, very small, very poor performance. An object of tuple belongs to? Then what is the problem of saying that? Right? So possible or not possible? So it is going to give you. Yes. Next is called what? Print that L1. This you remove. This you take it. List brackets I adjusted. Which type it is? List. Tuple. I can go for that like this. So this is called what? Basic part of it. Let's move forward. Come on. T1 is equal to, understand, of 10 comma rom comma. I am writing tuple in a tuple. Tuple in a tuple. Tuple in a tuple. Inner list. Inner tuple. 14 comma 13 comma 17 comma. I will take. You take list also. You take list also. What I am saying there? 56, 70, 67, 34 comma OUCET. See that. Print of what? T1. Print of what? T1. Comma what? Type of T1. Beautiful. Done. Can I write tuple in a tuple? Yes. Can I write a list in a tuple? Yes. So tuple is allowing list. List will also allow what? Tuple also. Understand? Come on, retrieve this list. Don't look at me. If you look at there, you will get answer. What is this? 0, 1, 2, 3. Get it? Print of T1 of 0, 1, 2, 3. I say 3. What is the type of these 3? As how do you find? Say type of T1 of 3. What is the type? Type of T1 of 2. Beautiful. Type of T1. Inside the tuple, one tuple is there plus one list is also there. Understand? Yes. So this is also called one thing you have to remember. Yes. Something writing. This is another type of special occasion. You have to take care of it. So on this area, we did like this. Now I will ask one question. Now I will ask one beautiful question. Now I want to modify 56 to 76. Can I modify? Think carefully. No, na, yes, sir. Yes, sir, no, na. No. What is this type? Can you do modification in list? Can I do it or not? No. Still no. Say yes or no. See. So you are not thinking properly, boss. I say first locate this. How do you locate? Locate T1 of 3. T1 of 3. T1 of 3. T1 of 3 will give you what? That elements. Check it out. Enter key. Elements I got it or not? Of 0 is equal to 100. That only I am asking. Understand first what I am asking. So print what? T1. Print T1 then. Print T1. See the output. 100. Why it is possible to modify? Because it is a list. Understand? Next go. One more thing. I am saying 2. 2. What is 2? Tuple. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Why? It is a tuple type. Clearly understand? Yes. This is also called one type of simple mechanism of what is possible, what is not possible. So understand here T1 of this is printed, modified. This is error. Why it is error? You already know because it is a what type? Tuple type. Here it is possible. Here it is possible. Here it is possible. Here it is not possible because it is which type? Listed type. This is which type? That's why possible and not possibility is coming. This is called possible because Because what is that? T1 of 3 is what? Inner list. Is what? Inner list. This is not possible because T1 of 2 is tuple, inner tuple, inner tuple. That's why it is not possible. Okay. Now this is related to the inner kind of tuples. Now coming to, I will take, now you see, T1 is equal to 10 comma ROM. This is my data. Print of T1 comma type of what? T1. Okay. Can I append? Can I append the data quickly? No. Why? Immutable. Beautiful. T1 dot append of Python. Valid or invalid? That means append function not present in which place? Because tuple belongs to immutable. Error. See the error, please. Tuple object has no attribute. Append. Okay, students. Next, can I go for inserting the data? Quickly. No. Why not? Not possible. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Next, T1 dot, I am saying clear. Possible. Right imposition. When I clear the elements, list object is existing, all elements are removing. Now, is it not modification? When I clear the elements of list, it is comes under what? Modification only. Now I am saying what? T1 dot clear. When I say T1 dot clear, what is happening? It clears all the elements of the tuple or not? And making empty or not? Removing everything and making empty. Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? You are a tuple, right? You have some content. You are throwing it out. And what is your content now? Empty. Possible or not possible? Possible. Helpless. So, it is not possible. Why? Because clearing elements means what? You are removing the elements from tuple. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Next, one more time I am asking. T1 dot what? Remove of what? 10. Possible or not possible? Also not possible. Also not possible. T1 dot what again? Pop. POP of what? 0. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Simply pop. Possible or not possible? Also not possible. What are not possible? In simple words, what are all the functions are doing the modifications on where? Tuple. What are all the functions are there in list? All of them are not there in tuple. All of them are not there in tuple. Append is not there, insert is not there, pop is not there, because they are all trying to modify. Modifications are not allowed in tuple. Understand? Now, tell me. Now I am going to give you the clarity here. Now understand me. Once again, last and final. T1 is equal to 10, 20, 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, 30. 20. Okay. T1 dot count. T1 dot count of 10. Of 10. Possible or not possible? Possible. Because it is just counting only, not modifying. Na? It is giving you number of occurrences. Possible. One more I will write it. Index I will write it. Index. Index of 10. It's possible. Just retrieving. Not doing any change. It is possible. First occurrence. Did you understand? Now you say something like 20. You pass 20. You will get first occurrence only. That is called first 10 is called 0. 20 is called what? This one. Amma? What is not allowed? Modifications are not allowed. Retrieval is possible. Modification related things are not possible. Retrieval things are permitted. Right? last and final. T1 is equal to, say this one, T2 is equal to T1 dot copy. Say, possible or not possible? Also not possible. It won't allow what? Shallow copy, also not permitted. Will it allow deep copy? Don't say immediately, ma. Think about it. Will it allow or not? No problem. It can solve, no problem. This is called my data. This is called my data 10, 20, 10, 20, etc. Who is pointing? Who is pointing? Is there any wrong in pointing to another element? Is there any wrong in pointing T3, T4, T5, T6, anything? No problem in pointing. Am I doing any modifications there? No, I am not doing any modification because in copy, what is happening? Taking every element and reshuffling to another list. So here T1 is equal to T2, happily possible. Print. Come on, what is this? T1 of, what is this now? ID of T1. Next print. What is this now? T2 of ID of T2. Getting the same answer? What is permitted? Deep copy. So out of these 12 to 13 functions, what is permitted? Count of and then index. Other functions are not permitted. All other functions are doing what? Modifying. Modifying. Are you following? Last and final. I am asking. T1 dot reverse. Possible or not possible? Amma? Not possible. Why? Reverse means reorganizing in the same place. Not possible. Understand? Suppose I want reverse. What I will do? Convert into what? List. Obtain reverse. Convert into again what? Tuple. Understand? That type of reshuffling you can take place. So, see, this is called a tuple. Convert into what? STR. STR at lista. List you have to take it. That's what I am saying. What is that? List of T1. Print what? L1 dot reverse. L1 dot reverse. Spelling is okay. Reverse. Reverse. Now say T1 is equal to what? Tuple of L1. Print what? T1. Getting or not? So these are all requires intelligence. Practicing, we will become perfection. So without practicing, without reading notes, we will not become perfection. So we have to read. Are you getting? Fine. So these are the elements what we have. When something is there, if the function is not there, convert into list, apply that function and get it into this place. Are you getting my point? Yes. So this is comes under what? Tuple. So what are the predefined functions present in tuple? Predefined functions in tuple. Predefined functions in where? Tuple. What are the predefined functions present in tuple? Tell me. Number one, index. First one is called what? Index. One more is called what? Count function. Count function. Both of you was stand up once. That person who came here and other person. Stand up, both of you. Any problem, ma? Huh? Any problem? Then I'm seeing you from long time. Both of you are discussing something. I don't mind to discuss, but sit backside. Any doubts are there? I said to ask you, na? So he's asking something without preparing. I answered everything. He felt something and he is talking to you. You are losing your subject. Okay? Are you following? Yourself. I'm talking about you. He already came here. He got his answers. And he felt something by himself. And he is trying to provoke you. Try to get things. What is inner tuple? This side, student. You cannot answer because he is trying to eat away your brain. Okay. So why you want to destroy by yourself? Try to understand. Sit down. Sit down. Try to sit separately. If you want to talk, sit separately. Then talk because the others will disturb in the class. That is my advice. Okay. What are the functions are not there? Functions not present in tuple. Functions not predefined. Functions not present in tuple. Don't lose the impression, ma. Try to be a good student. Functions not present in tuple. What are the functions not present in tuple? Come on. Append function. Next, insert quickly. Next is what? Remove. Next, pop off what? Index. Come on. Next, what? Pop off. Copy. Clear. Extend also. Extend also. Come on. Next, sort also. Reverse also. Reverse also. These are not present. What are present only? Suppose you want to perform these operations, convert a tuple into what? List. Do the operation and get back to what again? That's it. Easy? Right. Fine? Oh, yes, ma'am. Because I did not hear from there. Yes. Stop there only. Amma? Del function. Now, see. Very good. This is the question. He is asking, can I use del function? 1 minute. Del. Let me write it. T1 of something like 0. Good question. Don't look at me. Answer that. Yes or no? Stand up. You asked a doubt, na? I should answer you. Come on. Yes or no? That student, Spets, both of them are talking. Discussion students. Possible or not possible? Amma? Not possible. Other, that student. My favorite student. Amma? Not possible. Come here. You are the one first day sitting here and watching mobile. You only, na? First day. You only, right? No, wait, still there only. That's why I'm remembering you. I did not remember your face. First day you watched mobile. I send you back. You only, na? You only. You recognized. That day only I told you. So, say, just maintain physical distance. You are wearing mask now, huh? Okay. Say. And you are not listening the class, right? Not possible. Huh? It means like this. Possible or not possible? Others? Right. Okay. Boys, online boys. Possible or not possible? 50,000 rupees question it is. Okay. Now I'm pressing enter key. It's very simple actually. Why? You will say the answer. You don't tell the answer. I will ask you the answer also. Why it is not possible? Then you know the answer, na? Immutable. Possible? No. But del is not a function of what? A tuple. So del function will not allow to remove the elements of simple. When I remove the element, ID will be same or different in the case of list same. In the case of this ID should not be same, na? So del possible? Not possible, na? Easy, na? Right. Amma? Mobile, you are also getting call also, right? Calls are coming. I can understand, boss. You are having mobile in your packet or not? Remove. Yes. You got a call now? Got a call now? No call. Okay, but you are pressing means I got a doubt. Right. When you keep the in packet, when call is coming, we will press like this, na. So because now present students will do lot of things without knowing to teacher. Because I am also student now. Right. Come on. Your doubt is clarified. Amma, can you remove? Come on. Good question. Can I remove complete tuple? There is your doubt. Can I remove complete tuple? Okay. DEL T1. Possible or not possible? Stand up. You also stand up. Right in position. You have a mobile. Can I break my mobile or not? Yes. Breaking means completely remove. Possible or not possible? Then you said not possible. Right in position. Sit down. Possible or not possible? Press enter key. It's easy. Doubt is over. Still doubt are there. Sit down. You have any doubt? You have a doubt, I know. Because he's sitting with you now. Remove the mask. Can I copy? One tuple into? Can I copy one tuple into another tuple? No. With a shallow copy, deep copy. I said already in the class. Possible or not possible? You are saying answer to me. You are asking question, you are saying the answer. No, ma, I'm asking. Are you asking question? You don't feel tension. Sit down. Actually, I feel sometime emotion. Why? Because in my class, everybody will understand so perfectly. After you understand, if you forget and if you ask a question, I feel it is a credibility to me. Because why my student is forgetting asking the doubt of the topic which is covered. Now you ask the question. Possible with what is possible? I told. Shallow copy possible or not possible? Deep copy. I said that only. That only you are saying that only. You are asking copy possible or not? You are asking. Don't use counselor's language. Possible na na NA. There is no word in dictionary. Is it possible or not? Are you asking is it possible or not, or you are saying the answer to me? Answer you are saying. What is an answer? Tell me once. You don't say like that. What you have to say? In tuple, deep copy possible. In tuple, shallow copy not possible. Say. That's it. You also say. Come here. Now say. Remove the mask. Don't feel Sari is exercising with us. Yes. In front of me, I feel that you are my play group student. You are my play group student. I have to make you to do well or not. That's why I will call you here. Say. Is it? Is it? Think carefully. Say once again. Correct? Correct. You have a doubt, huh? No. So, okay, now. Comfortable? Right. Go. So, yesterday I asked you a question, right? Yesterday I asked you a question, right? Functions. Yesterday you came? Yesterday you came? You came yesterday. What I taught? Ma? Operations. You are there. Yesterday I asked you a question. What question I asked? All functions. You only said na correctly. Okay. Right. So, Amma, yesterday I told. Yesterday I told. Who will tell the answer to him? Yes. Yeah, stand up. Listen. Remove the mask. Okay. Yes. Clears the elements, but object remains. Deletes, removes the elements plus deletes object also. Yesterday we discussed, na? You also write imposition. Yesterday I said or not? Said or not? Yes. I shown you also. Why you forget? Not studying. Correct? So you want to say everything sir will explain. Before interview also you come, sir, please explain total Python once. Not like that. Every day you have to remember. Sit down. So 5 o'clock, 54 minutes. What is a type error? Nikita, type error is asking. When do you get type error? Wrong operation if you do. You will get which error? Type error. I am updating the values of a tuple. Which error? Well, type error. I am updating the value of a tuple. Is it possible to do that? No. That time you will get which error? See, I am trying to remove the element of that. Invalid operation I am doing. Which error? Type error. Nikita, are you understanding? Did you understand, Nikita? Yes. Right. Syed, I told yesterday, update function is not there in list. Yesterday only we tested. So they're asking. So update function was not there in? Yes. Fine. Gaurav, regarding your experience of a gap and all those things, because it is not the time to speak about it, I will explain in some separate session I will take about your gap of academics. I will explain one day your gap of academics, because let me explain. We will give you guidance to the gap of students. Nothing to worry about it. Okay. Regarding the gap, it's not a time to talk about that. And okay, Rocky, can we pop 0, 1, 3? Is it possible? Pop of 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. You have to pass only one index. You cannot pass multiple indexes. Right. Fine. That is important, Kumar. Gap of experience is definitely need to speak. Right. In tuple only I am saying, ma. In tuple only, pop function is not there. Already listed, na? Already listed. What are the functions not possible? Pop and all those things not present in where? Tuple. So tomorrow's class, this is related to the tuple. Tomorrow's class, when I come back, I will talk about what? Which category data types? Set category data types. List category data types over na? Look at once. Here I am having, see data types. Which category is over? Data types in Python. Here I am having list is over. Next I am going for what? Set. Because list is little bigger one and this is easy and you can understand tomorrow. I will talk about this area. Tomorrow I may speak about complete only set I will talk. Only set I will explain. Okay, don't miss it. Important. Thank you. Good day. All the best.